Some of the fun features of this car while you're driving are the ability to make some sounds as if you had a gas engine or a spaceship for that matter. So you go under settings, under driving, the first thing we're going to look at is the sound experience. There's a constant quiet noise that goes on, and when you hit the gas, Vivid Flux makes this sound. Silver Waves, which is more of a spaceship. And then Roaring Pulse sounds a little deeper. And all of these will also play a sound experience outside so people around you can hear you. And when you're in park and the car's running, this rumbling noise will continue to go and people outside of the car will notice it. The good news about this is you can turn it off. I bought this car to be quiet.